my bowl here, I have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm going to sift everything together. Some sour cream. Alrighty, here's my batter, all done up, and now I'm getting ready to batter up my pan, or should I say, butter up my pan. There we go. All right, and also what I'm doing is I have a few pecans here that I'm going to just toss in the bottom of my pan here, because this is going to ultimately be on top of the cake when it's done. And this is an optional step. It's not something that you must do. If you don't like pecans, don't put it on there. Simple as that. All right, so let me pour up my batter and get it ready to go into the oven. Excuse me. Excuse me. Put a little nutmeg on top. Roasted coals. that is it. I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but look how fluffy that is. It just springs back. That's because of the sour cream. That's why I love to use them in my cakes. Delicious.